Hi, Spirit.
I love your energy.
Thank you. At last, you're not bored of my energy. Some spirit is bored. Let's do the reading of the Libra.
Raymond.
Hi, Raymond. What can I do to you, Raymond? Let's do the reading of the Ophiuchus, the Basilisks, and it's
I'm really here.
Draco, Draco, and it's gonna be named after my baby, eh? Right. Okay. Okay, Draco. Wait.
Agony.
Oh, agony to those who is cruel, isn't it? Yeah, the vengeance is not mine. I'm not just the same of them.
My name is Frank.
Hi, Frank. You've been following me, Frank, for so long now. Do I know you, Frank? Do you have anything to say? Do you have any problem that I can help with? Okay. Let's see what's Libra's energy, eh? How to do this? Okay. Read along with me, Spirit, alright? Oh, my stomach is rumbling.
Brown eyes.
Oh, it's not blue now, it's brown, isn't it? Brown, eh? My eyes is hazel.
I'm here for the popcorn.
Oh, popcorn, eh? Who's saying that?
Rose.
Hello, mother. Mother,
Julian.
I miss you, mother.
Husband.
Hmm. Okay. Oh, my stomach is big. Okay.
Follow us ahead.
Who's you saying? Who's you talking to? Spirit?
There is an afterlife.
Yeah, I know. Spirit doesn't die. Good evening. Let's read the energy of the king. King Libra. The Stellium. Stellium. The Fucus. Oh, this is the demon card. Hang on. Why do I need to have this? Oh.
My lungs.
What happened to your lungs, Spirit? Collapse? Okay, I'm gonna have
My name is Michael.
Hi, Michael. Why there's no archangel in it? You usually say, yes, sir. Well, I'm not a sir at the moment because I'm pregnant, isn't it? So I am a woman. Woman. I'm the queen. Any message, Michael?
Forgiveness.
Yeah, I always forgive. Whose Michael is this? There is no sin. No one sins against me. The vengeance is not mine.
Go.
Well, Libra hasn't messaged me yet. You're very excited, eh? I'm reading his energy first. This one. Okay. What is gonna be his energy? 1, 2, 3. Don't stop talking, Spirit. As I am sleepy already. 1, 2.
The lady wears blue.
Oh, ha, ha, ha. So, my stomach is rumbling. So, I am Libra's energy. Our energy is swap. Yeah, last night. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 7. Let's see his energy. I tell you.
I've been here 600 years.
Wow. That's 6 high. Do you know? The lotto is 6 million. I wonder how much Daddy Saturn gonna hand it me tomorrow. Okay, this is my energy. Libra has it. As I just said, yesterday our energy is swap. It's opposite. Okay, he's got the thunder. Mars. Alright. Lightning, eh? The 5 of diamond. And pointing towards me. As you know, Libra is the sun. It's got 5, 5, triple 5.
Betrayal.
8 of flower. It's my energy. Yeah, the betrayal of trust. I hate it. Oh, the spirit is fiery. 7 of diamond. Wow. Libra is on fire. Burning. Oh, the 3 of heart is here. And that is me. As I always have love, manifesting the Father. The 7 of spade. Oh, the fire of 3. Oh my gosh. Too much fire. And the 4 of spade.
I'm the silence you fear.
I don't fear anybody. I fear my own strength. As no one can stop me but Father. Because he just pour water cold on my vein. Then I pass out. Okay, double 7, double 3, and the 4 is here, and Libra's energy is the 4 speed. He's got his energy too, the 7 of speed,
Cannon.
the intellect, and the fire. Okay, let's see the 9 card. One, 2, 3. God. Oh, my stomach is rumbling, spirit. 1, 2, 3,
Damage.
4, 6, 7, 8, 9. What damage? First card. Oh, the creator, who is me. It has the wisdom, the owl, the all-knowing. Daddy, that is of flower.
Holy Spirit.
Yeah. And the tree of speed. I am here, the queen of diamond, and pointing towards me. I have to have strength. Daddy Saturn, that has the hammer, the ace of diamond. Ha! He's gonna handle the legacy, the settlement. He's got the hammer, that is judgment. And he's pointing towards the earth. And both energy is here.
Safe.
Yeah. You're right, Spirit. Oh, the five of flower is here. Again, it's Libra. That's grace, love, and change. Oh, the 10 of flower. We are the year of 10. 2026 is year 10. And again, the 2 of diamond. The creator. Seem like father's energy. And the 3 of diamond. Oh my God. Spirit. This is the power reading. As I am in the middle.
Black Death.
In the middle, like
Beard.
I'm next to the father, Daddy Saturn. Ah,
Bad things happened.
yeah, I know. And the speed of 3 is here, and the diamond of 3, and the heart of 2, and the diamond of 2.
Listen for my voice.
Okay. Do you want me to count the day? Okay. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. And 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. Indeed, it's the spirit. And you want me to count the diamond? Okay. The diamond is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Plus 1, 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. Oh, this is the combine of the cardinal. Oh my God, the 9 cardinal.
Mind.
Yes, the fiery. And the only one heart here is the number 2, the creator. Okay, 12 card. Two,
Go up.
3, go out. Got 3. Let's see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, the heart of 10. Daddy Saturn is love. Look at that. He holding the fire. It burned. Inferno. Huh? The 7 of spade. The 10 of spade. Oh my gosh.
Betrayal.
Yeah. What can we do of the betrayal? It's Daddy's vengeance, not us. Okay? Oh, the king is love. Atlantis. I love you, Libra. I'm next to Libra. This is 11. Jack of Diamond. The 3 of Heart. The 4 of Diamond. No, the 4 of Spade. This is Libra. Intellect. Oh, Father is back. The Ace of Flower.
Middle.
Read middle. Yeah. And the 8 of Heart. The 9 of Flower. The 2 of Flower. The 8 of Spade. Double 8. Wow. Daddy love Libra, isn't it? It's because I noticed that. Oh, I'm not jealous today. I just noticed it. Like 7 of spade, 10 of spade, and the 4 of spade. The 4 is the Emperor, and the 8 is here. The half of the 4. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 plus 7. 45, 6, 7, 8, 29. Oh, 29 is 11.
Iris.
It's 11. It's mirroring the father. Okay. Let's read the heart. 13 plus 10 is 23. 23 plus 8, 31. 31 plus 3, 34. 3 plus 4, 7. It's the spirit. Libra is a spirit, the ancient spirit. Okay. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. Oh my God. And to combine Libra and I, our chart is 11. We mirror the Father. Okay, let's see my energy. See the Queen. Queen.
They hide the truth.
What truth? No one can hide me, Spirit. What's the truth? Oh, you are the one hiding it. What is that truth all about? You can share. I'm a spirit. Okay, this is my energy. Harmonize with me. What is my energy? Maybe we are swap again. Ooh, on the bottom. Okay. Shuffle until you stop shuffling.
Forgiveness.
You see that one? Okay, got 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see my energy. Ooh, I just said that our energy is swap. His energy is mine.
I'm not playing.
I'm not playing either. His energy is mine and my energy is his. So I am triple fire. Dealing with the intellect, okay. First card. Ooh, the 6 of flower. The 4 of diamond. The emperor. This is twin. I'm here. Pointing towards the earth. The queen of the diamond. Of course, I'm Aries. The helm, the Mars. The 3 of spade. The 9 of heart. Again. Cardinal.
Something stirs.
What is it? Oh, the 4 of heart. And the 3 of heart. Oh my God. Double.
Medicine.
Did I just say that it's twin? Now it's twin. Because the speed of 3, the heart of 3, and that's the pyramid. And the 4 of diamond and the 4 of heart. And the cardinal, 9 of heart. And to combine the 6 of flower. This is emotional, primal love. You're right. The lady wears blue. See? Blue. It's all blue. You are right, Spirit. You know what color of my stone? Look at that. 3 of diamond and the 6 of diamond. The color of my stone is aquamarine. Blue. It's not deep blue. Okay, I shuffle until you stop.
Creature.
Cherub. The harmony. Okay. Cut. Nine cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First card. Oh,
Roberts.
the heart of Queen pointing towards me. Of course, Father said, love myself first, as I am the temple and I am his child. Okay. The creator is diamond pointing towards the earth. Whew. The 2 of diamond and the 2 of flower. The 8 of spade. The 10 of flower. Wow. It's a line. Because this 10 is in Libra's reading too. Oh my God, 222 spirit. Libra is here.
Keep walking.
Who's walking? Libra's here, King of Spade, and it's his synergy. Come on. He's got yellow eyes. Okay, 8 of flower, and he's got the 8 of spade. It's his energy. Oh, Daddy Saturn. He's got the axe. Ready for battle. And his love. Wow. Daddy Saturn and me. The first beginning and Daddy Saturn in the ending. We are the same align. Our energy is aligned. And he loves me. Okay. My energy is here. Libra and mine. Flower and the spade. And I have here flower and
They
the
cremated
spade.
my body.
222 and 222 is balance. Balance, love and justice. And then that is Saturn and Libra. Okay, let's do the 12 to finish the reading and I go to sleep. Look at that, the 9 of yeah, this is absolutely the cardinal because it's Aries. It's got the horn and then the Queen of Diamond. Two, three. Okay. Until you finish. Alright. 3 cards.
19.
Thank you. 1 plus 9 is 10. Yeah, we are the year of 10, yeah. Year of oneness. One with the Father. Because Daddy Saturn returned to Aries. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. First card. Hey, Libra is here. Hi, darling. My honeybee. Honeybee. Oh my God, look at that spirit. We are the same energy. King and Queen of Flower. We are aligned, indeed. And we are
Burned.
burnt, yeah. Burnt. Inferno. Of course, he's the Basileus. Okay. Oh yeah, it burned the heart of 7, the love. Oh my God, spirit. The queen is here. The queen of heart.
Down.
You sit up and then now I sit down. So as above, so below. Okay. Oh my God. 5 of diamond. Daddy is here. The ace of speed. And he's holding the hammer. He's the justice. Thus, next to daddy is me, the 6. And we are aligned. Oh my gosh. The dark. The bloodline of witch. Okay. The 4 of heart. The jack of speed. The 2 of flower. Oh my God, triple queen. The diamond is here. And Libra and I, the same. Si Libra is
I need an offering.
what offering? Oh, we are yin yang. 6 of speed and 6 of flower. I'm pointing towards the earth and Libra pointing towards me.
4.
Oh my God, 4 years. Do you know that the diamond spirit is 4 corner? Like the triangle plus 1 underneath as above so below is because the father. The love. So double 6 and triple queen. The queen of flower, the queen of heart, and the queen of diamond. Wow. Wow. And I embodied also the jack. It's because I am a masculine.
Fond memories here.
Yes. And in the father manifestation that 11 plus 1 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. Oh my God, yes. Pyramid, the spirit of children. Okay. The emperor is heart and the 7 of heart. The 7 is the spirit and the love and the seraphim and the Sunday. And then Libra is here. My love. Okay. 27 and then he's the 5. He is the spark of my life. Okay, Spirit. Thank you for reading with me. I'm going to bed now. Any last words, Spirit? No? Okay.
I am Draco.
You make me smile, Draco. Hi, Draco. You wanna speak to me? As my child is gonna be named after your name. Draco, the dragon from the 7th century. Okay, Draco. You are here 2 nights ago with the angel Gabriel. What is it, Draco? Come on. Your energy is quite oh wow. Oh, it's all heart. The 9, the 8, and yeah, and daddy, the 6. Come on, Draco. That's all you're gonna say. I'm Draco.
Find my grave.
Ooh, Draco is not in the grave. Draco is the Triai Atlas constellation of this year. Okay.
Sister.
Okay. I'm gonna read the demonology card. Let's see. I just get 3 for Libra and 3 for mine. Oh my God, speaking about Libra. Okay, bye-bye, Spirit.